In this video, I am going to show you how to download LiveNet TV on your Fire TV stick. First, ensure your Fire TV stick is connected to your TV and has an active internet connection. From the home screen, navigate to Settings at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and select My Fire TV or device, then choose Developer Options. Here, enable Apps from Unknown Sources to allow the installation of applications that are not available in the Amazon App Store. Now, return to the home screen and search for the Downloader app. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store. The Downloader app will enable you to download files directly to your Fire TV stick. Open the Downloader app, and in the URL field, enter the official download link for the LiveNet TV APK. You can typically find this link on the official LiveNet TV website or trusted forums. Click Go to start the download process. Once the download is complete, you'll see the installation prompt. Click Install to begin installing LiveNet TV on your Fire TV stick. After the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to save space on your device. Finally, return to the home screen, and you should find LiveNet TV in your apps list. Launch the app, and you can start enjoying live TV channels and content from around the world. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.